Hi kids, it's nice to see you again today, and today we will be continuing our topic on multiplication. So last time we learned about lesson number 2 and number 3, and today we will continue, and we will be learning lesson 4 and lesson 5. For lesson number 4, I will be teaching you from 163 to 164 of your Math 2A book. So let's read the sentence together. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So we have an example. 9 times 0 equals 0. 36 times 0 equals 0. So no matter how big or how small is your number, if you're going to multiply it with 0, your answer will always be 0. So let me give you another example. If you're going to multiply 0 with 1000, it doesn't matter if you're going to multiply it with that number. The answer will still be 0. 1 million times 0, the answer is still 0. So it doesn't matter. So again, remember, any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Let's proceed to number 1. So any number multiplied by 1, the product is always that number. So if we multiply 1 with any number, it will always be equals to the number that we use to multiply with 1. So for example, we multiply 1 with 9. So 9 times 1, the answer is 9. We multiply 1 with 36. 36 times 1, the answer is 36. So if we multiply 1 with 1 million, so 1 million times 1, the answer is 1 million. Okay, so that's how easy it is to multiply a number with 1. So any number we multiplied by 1, the product is always that number. So let's proceed to lesson number 5. So for lesson number 5, I will be teaching you page 165 of your Math 2A book. Let's read the sentence together. When we multiply a one-digit number with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, multiply one-digit numbers first, then add 0 at the end of the product. So that's how easy it is. So 2 times 20, if you're going to think about it, 20 is a big number. It's going to be difficult if we multiply it that way. So what we are going to do is we will just multiply the first digit of the number 20. So the first digit for number 20 is number 2. So we are going to multiply 2 with the first digit for number 20, which is also 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Then we are going to put 0 after number 4, which gives us the answer 40. Okay, so that's how we are going to answer the numbers 10 to 90. Okay, so 10 to 90 ends with 0. So again, multiply one-digit number first, then add 0 at the end of a product. So another 2 times 70. That means for the number 70, we are going to take the first digit, which is number 7. So 2 times 7, we get 14. Then we add 0, our answer becomes 140. So I will be showing you a video for better understanding. Okay, so let's watch and learn. Now let's use number 50. So again, when we multiply with 10, 20, 30, 40 to 90, we need to multiply the first digit and then add 0. So this is the first digit, and then we have the second digit. So for example, let's have 50 times 5 times 30. So we don't need to multiply these two. We only need to multiply the first digit. This is the first digit. Okay. So we will multiply the first digit to the other number, which is 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Or we can use the expanded form, 5 times 3. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, we get 15. So the answer is 15. And then we will put 0 next to number 15, which gives us the answer of 150. Okay, now let's have another example. Let's have number 70. So 2 times 70. Again, when we multiply the first digit. This is our first digit. No need to multiply the 2 digit, just multiply the first digit. So 2 times 7. Let's use the expanded form. 2 times 7. So 1, 2. So we have 2, 7, which is equal to 14. So 2 times 7 equals 14. This is our product of 2 and 7. So again, 14. So we will put 14 in here as our answer. And then put 0 next to number 14. You got the answer 140. So that's how we are going to answer. The same as, for example, if you are going to exchange 70 and 2, the answer is still the same. So again, we will multiply only the first digit. So 7 times 2, we get 14. And then we put 0 next to number 14, which gives us the same answer, which is 140. So just remember again, if we use the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, just multiply the first digit and then add 0 to your answer. So that ends our lesson in multiplication, and in our next video, I will be teaching you or explaining to you how to answer our exercise number 1 and exercise number 5. So I'll see you in our next clip.